Welcome back to Kanen Coffee. In front of me is an Expobar Leva machine that was brought in because it was not heating properly. We went ahead and opened it up and we found that fella, the heating element, was just plain bad. It's got open line resistance on it, meaning that there is infinite resistance across the coil, so it just don't work. Anyway, we replaced it and now the machine is working again, so let's go ahead and pull a shot. Getting up to pressure now. It's running out a little funny, but that's probably my fault. There we go. It's getting a little better. Probably to do with the grind. Nevertheless,
What's wrong with your machine?
that is working again as per usual. Thank you for bringing it in as a lovely machine to work on. And if you like the video, go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to the channel. It does help us out, and we'll make more videos. See you next one.